Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video. In today's giveaway video, I would like to present you a one-piece code system. And this means that you have a text box in which you enter a specific code and then you receive a specific reward for that, okay? That's basically what a one-piece code system is. And the good thing about this one is that you can redeem every code once only. So only one code, well, no, you can only redeem it once and then never again, because we have a code data store system. And more on that topic in tomorrow's tutorial video, so make sure to check it out. And make sure to check out my second channel, link is in the description. Make sure to check out the Discord server and the model of this one-piece code system, links in the description as well. And now enjoy.